Okay, here is the revised drawing with the measurements that you gave me. This represents the exterior patio wall. This is roughly where the plumbing is, drawing out from the cooktop wall with the measurements you gave me. This being 117 and 138.39 to here. 232 all the way across. The space in between here is about 44 inches. That's cabinet to cabinet, not cabinet. So you'll lose about 3 inches for countertop, but we can slide this island towards the backyard without any hesitation because we have 58 inches there. Now that's from the wall to the countertop. I do have the countertop drawn for the island. So from the edge of the countertop to the face of the cabinets on the fridge walls, 43 3/4. So you would still have about 42 inches in between here, which is good. But you have quite a bit of room to shift the island to the backyard. And as far as space from the cooktop, there's a bunch of room here. From the cooktop wall to the front of the countertop, that is roughly 73 inches. And then I have added cabinets. We don't have to do this on the back of the island. So your countertop would be about 50 inches from front to back. And the island, the cabinets are 104, so adds 3 inches, so about 107 this way. The sink is not centered in the island. And if we're going to center it in the island, we probably have to do some plumbing rework. Unless we shifted it towards the wall here. That represents our plumbing because this sink cabinet we need to shift to the left. Okay, I paused the video. So here's and redid the island. So if we center the cabinet, or center the sink cabinet, that's it. And right here, center position, that's still the plumbing. We have to shift it a little bit towards the backyard. So from the countertop to the wall, 52 inches. From the countertop to the face of the cabinets on the other walls, about 51. And the plumbing is off center in the sink cabinet, but that really doesn't matter. This is the scale. 51, 52 inches, same thing here. Centered, spice, tray divider, or we can, those spice cabinets, the doors go all the way up. So for symmetry, that door goes all the way up. So you can do another little tray divider there, or put a rollout behind there. But just keeping both those doors left and right of the sink balanced. Then your 4-drawer stack. All right. Okay, let me know what you think of this.